Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I hope you're all well. Oh, hello, another new member, King Kang.
Jin Kang has become a member.
Wow, thank you very much indeed. Great stuff. We're over 300 members now, which is wonderful. 98% of live viewers are members, higher than any channel on YouTube. Very, very proud of that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, this close... Oh, another one.
Ahmad Shaban has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed, Ahmad Shaban. Thank you so much indeed. Now, this is going to be a very, very short show, just about 10, 12 minutes, because you've been asking, it's time to move on now from FFIE. We've proven it's got no value. It's going to zero. I hope you've all taken your profit. I hope you're all out. There's not going to be a short squeeze. I can't see it. If there was, it would be a miracle and it would make no sense whatsoever. So anything's possible, but I just do not see it. There's no reason. There's no evidence. There's nothing to support it. There's no army behind it. No one is going to fix this. It's just impossible. So it's time to move on from FFIE right now. I would imagine by next week we'll be down at 2 cents and it'll be bankrupt anyway. So there's not much point talking about it anymore. We've given you all the information we can to try and trade this, get out, take your profits when you could. But because right now there is zero value here whatsoever. So what we're going to do though is we've got our members have asked for some reviews to find some great companies to invest in. We've got 4 reviews lined up for you that I've recorded. I've done the analysis on and all the rest of it. So is Ahmad in the show? Ahmad, I want to make sure that Ahmad is here. Let's see if Ahmad is here. Ahmad, no, I don't see you. Okay, no problem at all. We'll try and catch you next time. So what we're going to do is we have 4. These are members. Do we have Mustafa? Just trying to see if we have Mustafa. No, I don't think so. Do we have Vincent Vosberg in the show? Vincent Vosberg, no. And do we have Vaz in the show? Oh yes, I think we have Vaz here. Oh, hang on a minute. Ahmad Shaban, we do. I'm here. Hello there, Ahmad. Okay, fantastic. Vaz, I believe you're in the show. Vaz, are you here? Looks like you are. Vaz, I've got your premiere, your EVTL coming out today. So we've got 4 back-to-back reviews starting in 10 minutes time. We're not going to do a closing bell today. There are too many reviews that you're expecting. That members have booked. So we're going to go back to back with our reviews. We're going to start off with this one. This is in 10 minutes time. I've done all these reviews for you for stocks that you might want to look at. So here's the first one, UEC. That is uranium energy stock. We're going to review that live in a moment. It's a premiere, not been seen before. Vaz, you've done my review yesterday. Yes, but the video comes out today. This is the actual video edited and done for you. That you saw me do it live on the show, but it's got its own video, so that way it'll rank and promote the stock and all the rest of it. You just saw me making it. Now it's coming out. Okay, straight after UEC we have Worksport. Okay, Worksport will be next. And then we have Navitas, and then we have for Vaz we have EVTL. So 4 reviews back to back. So they're all live premieres. Going to watch all those, and you can join in the live conversation and all the rest of it. So that's what's coming up in a minute. So there's going to be no ringing the bell today because there's so many reviews that we're trying to get through for the members. Now then. We had Ahmad Shaban today become a member of our channel. Now, Ahmad sent me an email. Thank you very much for your email. So essentially, I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know your situation. It would be impossible. So I don't know what your level of knowledge of trading is, what your knowledge of stocks are, what you're interested in. I've got no idea. But to help you, we are live 12 hours a day in the extra channel. You can ask people what they're buying, what they're doing. You've got access to Discord. You can talk to Ed Nevis about scalp trading. You can talk to, this is 24 hours a day. You can talk to Sensei in Discord about crypto trading. You can call in any day, anytime you want, and be live on my show. So what I'd like to do, we haven't got time now because we're about to end for a special, we've got 4 back-to-back reviews for you so you can learn about new businesses, whether you should buy these businesses, sell them, trade them, whatever. We've got 4 reviews about to start. Okay, so there's no time today, but you are now a member. You can call in at any time. I'm live every single day. I would suggest that you call in live to the show, and I would very happily discuss with you, what your knowledge is of trading, what you want, and I'll answer any question live. So you can call in, but I need to get to know you. It's not financial advice, but I'm happy to talk to you with everybody and, get to understand you, get to learn about you, and talk through all the different things directly with you. So we can do that. All right. Can't do it now because we're about to end the show. This is a very, very quick show because we've got these premieres coming out. But back tomorrow as normal. If you want to call in, please feel free to call in, and I'll go through all the stocks with you, answer all your questions. Would that be okay? Will that work for you? Would that work? You be happy with that? Okay. So as far as we're concerned now, Faraday Future is completely dead. There's no value left here. No one's buying anything else. It's all downward pressure. The earnings was awful. If they're not above $1 today, they're going to be delisted. They're coming off the exchange. It's going bankrupt. It's exactly as we said. Don't buy the dip and think you can trade it out. There's no volume left. The volume is going down. There's no army on Reddit about to pump it up. They all dumped it on each other. No one's helping anybody. There's nothing here to help. So just be careful. If you're buying it, you're literally throwing your money away. 99.999%. There's nothing to bring it up at all. So just bear that in mind. Okay. So what have we got here? We've got a few silly comments coming in. Yeah, never trust a man who owns the S&P 500. Yeah, Warren Buffett, every billionaire I know, every millionaire I know, Wall Street, every pension fund own the S&P. You're right. You absolutely should not listen to anyone who only buys the 500 best companies. You're absolutely right. You need to listen to this person. What I'm trying to work out what that picture is. It's a bit of a strange picture. Anyway, yeah, you need to speak to this person. You're absolutely right. Everyone's going to blame me if it goes up. Blame me if you want. It doesn't bother me. I'm only giving you my best opinion. You've chosen to be here today. You want to be here and listen. If you don't want to listen, don't be here. So anyway, there you go. Not talking to everyone. Watching is chasing away a possible member. Not talking to everyone. Watching is chasing away not talking to everyone. I've answered everyone's questions. I'm the only channel on YouTube to answer everyone's questions. I answer everybody's questions, including you talking nonsense. So that just doesn't make sense. Anyway, let's get through the questions. FFIE buy the dips. That's a phrase that was created by BitBoy, who was on drugs and always drunk, and ended up getting thrown out of his own channel. There's no point buying a dip of a company that's failing. It's going to zero. There's nothing to stop it. You don't give financial advice, but you tell everyone to sell. I'm not telling you what to do. at all. I've never told you to do anything. That's not true at all. That's a complete lie. I give you my opinion, looking at the numbers, the facts, and I'm just sharing with you my opinion. Not telling you what to do at all. Isn't that illegal? No, nothing here is illegal. I know exactly what I'm doing. I abide by all the terms and conditions. I've done a lot of research into that. Have you? Let's have a little look. No CRM earnings. I can cover the earnings if I'd been asked to do it by a member, but I wasn't asked to do it. So GameStop, I'm holding. GameStop stock I'm holding at $23.50, $3,000. Is it safe to stay in? No. There's I wouldn't own a GameStop either. The whole meme craze is already dying. The Reddit channels, it's all dying. It didn't work this time. It's not going to work this time. It's why Roaring Kitty knew it. He didn't come online, didn't go live. There's nothing here. So just be careful. Doesn't make any sense. Let's have a look. I'm just not sure what you're trying to. No one knows. They haven't. The rest of us are busy working, building businesses, earning money. These trolls, they have nothing to do. So they've lost all their money. They're not making any money. They haven't got any jobs or businesses. So they spend their time talking rubbish. I feel sorry for them, if I'm honest. Anyway, so that's what's going on. We can see exactly what we've got today. We've got a downturn. We've got a correction. No problems at all. I haven't sold a single share. I'm looking to buy more. So what we're going to do now, I hope that answered our question for our gold member. Feel free to call back tomorrow live on the show, and I'll help you any way I can. I'm live all day, so I'm sure I'll find a time in your time zone to call in. But right now, we're going to start our first premiere. We have 4 back-to-back reviews. 4 back-to-back reviews. So you can learn about 4 companies that you requested. Members, you can ask me to do reviews, cover earnings, and that's exactly what I've done. So we've got our first one starting now. So I'm going to give you the link for this video. It's a recording. It's just about to go live for the very first time. It's about to premiere. Let me give you the link for it here. There you go. A lot of people. It's okay, Mike. Mike's working hard with the trolls, but a lot of people are very upset today. They've lost a lot of money, which is silly because we've been telling everyone it's rubbish and no one paid any attention, apart from our members. Our members are making money, of course, and that's why we're going to go and study some new businesses, actual businesses that actually make money. The first one is about to start, and I knew the trolls would be in today because, of course, they're losing lots of money today, and their Reddit channel didn't work, and it all just went down the toilet, and now everyone's running around going, what are we doing now? Well, nothing you can do now. You've basically bought a dead company. The only people that benefited were those that work at FFIE. They took your money last night. It was very obvious what was going on. No report, no Q&A from analysis at the end. It was obvious. They broke all the rules. They'll be delisted by tomorrow, and you'll be running around going, I wish I hadn't listened to somebody on Reddit. Anyway, thank you, GSX. Cheers, mate. You are one of the best entertainers I've had the pleasure of watching here on YouTube. My absolute pleasure. You just advised not to hold GameStop. Yeah, I wouldn't hold it. Yeah, it's my opinion. It's not financial advice. I don't know you. I don't know what your position is. But I'm trying to get the CEO of GameStop on the show. But yeah, I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't be part of a meme craze. I wouldn't be led by a cartoon character. I think that's a bit silly. But anyway, you want to do what you want to do. I can't do much about that. Right, the premiere is about to start. We've got 4 back-to-back premieres. They are brand new, never seen before videos, unless you were here when I made them, and giving you full analysis on stocks. So here's the first one. There you go. It's time for me to run. Everybody over on Rumble, I've got a Rumble audience. It's only on YouTube at the moment. I will upload it to YouTube, to Rumble shortly. They've just gone out. So here we go. So thank you very much. Enjoy this one. There's 4 back-to-back live chat for all the members. You can talk to each other, support each other. I will put the link for the next one. There's 4 back-to-back. We're going to do Uranium, Work Sport, Navitas, and EVTL. Some great businesses, full reviews, learn all about the stocks, and there we go. All right, I'm going to get off. Thank you so much indeed. I'll see you back in the morning. I will be live with you all the way through these reviews, so do join me for this. But that's it for me. Our members have asked for these reviews, so I wanted to get them out. See you back in a minute. Join me for the live premiere. As we talk, Faraday Futures just gone down to 44, 43. It's going down to 42. It could be at 2 cents by the end of the day. Every possibility. But bye for now. See you live in the premiere. Good luck. A lot of information here in these premieres. Bye-bye for now.